Hello, everyone. Today I am here to give you a brief introduction to Learning Express and with a focus on our job skill resources. Learning Express is a resource that we have that will give you access to a number of test prep material as well as a number of tutorials and a resume builder. To access Learning Express, start from our main website, kanawhalibrary.org, and then press the Research tab up here at the top of the page. From our research page, simply scroll down to the most popular research tools section and then click on Learning Express Library. Now this often will ask you to sign in with your card number and PIN, but after you are signed in, it will bring you to a page that looks similar to this. I always suggest users to sign in and register for using this resource, solely because it will keep track of the resources you've already utilized as well as keeps track of the resumes you've created. Registration is a simple matter of pressing register and then filling out this very brief form. Now, as I already have an account, I will instead go to login and simply type in my login credentials. Now, after you log in, it will bring you to the page that's listed as My Center, which is where you will find the tests and courses that you have either completed or are currently undergoing. I suggest the users go back to the home page and then take a look at what is available right here. You'll find that we have a number of headers such as Adult Core Skills, Computer Skills Center, as well as different sections for schools and job and careers. You could click on these and simply choose the topic you are interested in to see which materials are available. But if you have something in mind, such as wanting to prepare for the CDL test, you can simply go up to the top of the page and just type in the name of the test that you are looking for, in this case CDL, and it will give you access to the tests as well as ebooks regarding those topics. You'll find a number of different job-related materials listed here. Many of them are ebooks or related tests and courses. If you find a material you are interested in, you can simply download it, and it will allow you to download the PDF that you may then open and read immediately. Or, if you wish to take the test, you simply press Start Test, and then choose from the list of options that they provide here to allow you to determine, did you wish to do this as a practice test, as a simulation, so the timer will stop the test, or as a learner so you can view the answers. Pressing Start Test will, of course, begin the test with the related timer. And if you wish to save it to finish later, you can simply press the Finish Later button to save your progress. You can find the test on your My Center page at any later time. Simply going to your name and then My Center, you'll find the test here and ready to go for you, as well as a collection of the ebooks that you have downloaded. Again, if you were to choose one of the computer courses or viewing flashcards, you will also find them here on this page. That concludes our basic introduction to Learning Express. I hope that helps you with getting started and hopefully give you the resources you need to begin to browse through and find the materials you need to acquire the skills that you'll want moving forward. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us through our Facebook page or by the contact page on the library website. Have a good day.